Doctor's Village life in this day. If you see, I am here. Here is my village, and this mother is my village friend in here. In that day, you see, is sitting like that one. She said she's sick she's sick in the other day, and then I was going to the hospital. Is the doctor said is malaria in the here in the higher high